Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. The cloud, as most people call cloud computing, is not a recent development. It is the amalgamation of various foundational technologies that have evolved since 1940s, including mainframe computers, virtualization, and networking. Every other person around us has been talking about cloud buzzwords. But what exactly is cloud computing? Today, I will be answering these questions in this video as well as comparing the top 2 most famous contenders for cloud computing certifications. If you are someone who is planning to pursue these certifications, this video will definitely add value to your research. With that being said, let's get started. What is cloud computing? As I told, it is the amalgamation of various foundational technologies that have developed since 1940s, including mainframe computers, virtualization, and networking.
Hey, I did not understand that. Can you please simplify it a bit for me?
Sure, I can. Cloud computing is on-demand availability of computer resources. So, basically, if you want one computer to perform some operation like host a website, store some data, we can request computer resources from cloud service provider.
So, you are saying that cloud is somebody else's computer?
I'm afraid to say, but yes it is.
Oh god.
Also, there are two types of clouds, public cloud and private cloud. Public clouds are the ones that are delivered via the internet, and private cloud are the ones that are dedicated to an organization. Today we are discussing about two tech giants who have been involved in public cloud space, Amazon Web Services and Microsoft Azure. Let's check out their market trends. If we check out Gartner's Magic Quadrant, AWS and Azure both are market leaders. As of April 2021, market share for Amazon Web Services is 32%, whereas for Microsoft Azure it is 19%. AWS offers Certified Cloud Practitioner, where you will get a glimpse of the AWS universe, and on the other hand, Microsoft Azure offers AZ900 Microsoft Azure Fundamental Certification, which will introduce you to Microsoft Azure Universe. Let's dive straight into what does these two market leader has to offer us. Both of these certifications will introduce you to their specific universe of clouds. You will get to know which Amazon Web Services are responsible to solve a particular problem or give us an enhanced feature, and similarly for Azure while pursuing AZ900. Syllabus wise, both of these certifications will introduce you to their services, cost and billing feature, responsibility models, and security. Now, when it comes to total questions in each of the certifications, in AWS Certified Cloud Practitioner, you get to do 30 to 40 questions in 90 minutes, whereas for Azure Fundamentals, you get to do 60 questions in 90 minutes. Now, you would be interested to know what type of questions are asked in each one of them. In AWS Certified Cloud Practitioner, you will get to see multiple choice and multiple answer type questions, whereas in Azure Fundamentals, you get to do multiple choice statement, drag and drop, and multiple true-false type of questions. Coming to the most important aspect of a certification, which is validity and cost. Validity of an AWS Certified Cloud Practitioner is 3 years, whereas for Azure Fundamentals, it is valid till the exam is retired. You can know more about this by visiting Microsoft's website. Cost for AWS certified cloud practitioner is $100. Also, you can schedule a practice exam by giving an extra $20, whereas for Azure fundamentals it is $99. Remember, Azure rates are country specific. When discussing about the cloud, we definitely want to try our hands onto the cloud. And as cloud is based on the principle of pay as you go, both of these companies offer some time duration to use it free of cost. In AWS and Azure, you get to use free tier for 1 year, whereas in Azure, you get additional $200 known as Azure credits for its paid services for 30 days. If you talk about what if we do not want to do practical, rather just go through the theory and attain certificate, I would say that is possible in AWS certified cloud practitioner, but for Azure fundamentals, you would need to get your hands onto the cloud. That would help you in attaining the certificate with ease. This video would be incomplete if we do not talk about the job market that these both certifications have at this moment. Both of these certifications are necessary if you are looking to switch into a cloud-specific role. But if the role that you are looking for is not cloud-specific, then these certifications would be good to have. Here are some of the job snippets which will give you an idea that different job postings have different requirement for these certifications. Now, if you have skipped directly to the conclusion, I recommend watching the whole video first. Also, just FYI, this is my own opinion. You can have a different point of view and that is totally okay. Since most of the organizations are actively working upon deploying and delivering their solutions onto the cloud, it is essential to gather the knowledge of one of the cloud universe, be it AWS or Azure or any other cloud. It does not matter if you are in an individual contributor role or in a managerial role. These certifications will help you to grow in your relevant role. Since individual contributors need to develop, troubleshoot, or test the organization's solutions, so for that cloud knowledge is must. For managerial roles, to gain better understanding of the solution onto the cloud, these certifications are mandatory. There won't be a clear winner in both of these certifications. Rather, I will suggest you to go for both of them, since these certifications will give you a glimpse of the universe, and then if you want to specialize in any one of them, then you can take your call. That would be one of the best investments that you will ever make. If you have some queries related to these certifications, feel free to DM me over Instagram or LinkedIn or Twitter. All handles are mentioned on your screen. I would really appreciate if you could press that subscribe button below. That really helps me in keep going to create content for the community. Till then, keep learning, keep rocking, and I'll see you in the next video.